Friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Make PM. In today's video, we derive various formulas for the projectile motion. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a ball or particle which is thrown at an angle theta from the horizontal with an initial velocity v0, and it is traveling like this. So in this case, suppose this is point O, this is A, this is maximum height B, and this is C. So this particle is traveling a maximum height of h, and this is called range, the distance, maximum distance till it which is traveling. So we will find in this video what is the value of h. H is equal to what, which is called maximum height. What is the range or maximum horizontal distance traveled by this particle, and what is the time of flight, means for how much time it will be in the air. The particle will stay in the air for how much time. So this is v0. We can get its component in horizontal direction. It will be v0 cos theta, and in vertical direction it will be v0 sin theta. Okay, so these are the two components of the velocity. So we know that this particle will go up and up and up with the velocity v0 sin theta, and at this point, at some point B, it will reach the maximum height, then it will start falling. Okay, so at this point where it will have maximum height, at this point its velocity will be 0. So we have three formulas for the motion. You all know about it. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v is equal to u square plus 2as. Here v is velocity, final velocity, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration, and s is travel distance. So we can apply these three formulas to find these three values, the h, r, and t. So how? Let's see. So at this point B, we have already seen that velocity will be 0, vertical component of velocity will be 0. So we can write s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v is equal to u plus at. So we will apply these formulas only for the vertical component. So for vertical velocity, you can see initial final velocity will be 0 here, because it is reaching maximum height at point B. So 0 is equal to u. What is it? U is v0 sin theta in vertical direction. v0 sin theta. Acceleration is g, which is downward, so it is minus, and time is t. Okay, so from here we can get the time to reach this point B by this particle. So t will be v0 sin theta upon g. But this is not time of flight which we want to calculate, because this is only half the time from here to here. From B to A we have to calculate the time. So half the point which is taking to reach this point plus half will be B to A. So our time of flight will be t is equal to 2t, because it is half, so half plus half will be twice. So t is from here to O to C, it is taking t time. From C to A, it is taking t time. So total time of flight will be 2 into t, which is 2 v0 sin theta upon g. So this is formula for time of flight. Now we can calculate the range r. How can we calculate? R is equal to what? So you can see that in horizontal direction we can apply the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. In horizontal direction, what is the distance travel? Maximum distance travel is r, so we can place r in place of s, is equal to u, initial velocity is v naught cos theta into t is this total time from O to A, total time is time of flight, to v naught sin theta upon g plus acceleration in horizontal direction is 0, only velocity, so it will be 0. So it r will become e naught into 2 sin theta cos theta upon g, v naught square. So you can see that 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, so r will be v naught square sin 2 theta upon g. So this is maximum range at which this particle will travel. Now we have to find the maximum height h. How can we find h? So in vertical direction, s is equal to ut plus half gt square. Okay, or you can also apply the formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as. You see at point B, what is the final velocity in vertical direction? 0 is equal to u square. What is u? U is v naught sin theta. V naught square sin square theta minus 2 a is g is minus because it is downward, into s is h. What is the vertical distance travel? H. So h will be v naught square sin square theta upon 2g. So this is the maximum height traveled by this particle. Okay, I hope you understand up to here. So we have 3 formulas now. We will note them down. Okay, first one we will have t is equal to 2 v naught sin theta upon g. We have h is equal to h is equal to v naught square sin square theta upon 2g, and we have r is equal to v naught square sin 2 theta upon g. So we will solve these 3 formulas. We will use these 3 formulas to solve the problem. So let's see an example. This is a problem. A particle is projected from the surface of the earth with the speed of 20 meter per second. So see, this is a particle. This is projected at 20 meter per second. So v naught is 20 meter per second at an angle of theta with horizontal. So this angle is theta. So our theta is 30 degree with the horizontal. Determine the time of flight. Okay, so we already have our formula. Time of flight is t is equal to 2 v naught sin theta upon g, which will be equal to 2. In place of v naught we can write 20 into sin 30 upon g, we can take 10 meter per second square. So if you will calculate this, you will get, I am calculating from my calculator, so you will get 2 into 20 is 40 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So sin 30 is 1 by 2, so it is simple. 10 will cancel this. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and sin 30 is 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 seconds. So 2 seconds is time of flight. B, what is the range? So range, we have also calculated the formula. Range is equal to v naught square sin 2 theta. V naught square sin 2 theta upon g. V naught is 20, so 22 square into sine 2 theta is equal to sine 60 degree. 20 to the square is 400 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2 divided by 10. So this 10 will cancel by this. So it is 40 by 2 is 20 root 3 meter. So this is the maximum range. See maximum height. H is equal to, you can see from the formula, V naught square sine square theta upon 2g. V naught square sine square theta upon 2g, which is equal to 20 to the square into sine 30 square, sine 30 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 square upon 2 into 10. This 20 will cancel. 20 into 1 by 4 is equal to 5 meter. This is your answer. This is our last question, equation of trajectory for this projectile motion. So in previous video we have derived that equation of trajectory is y is equal to x tan theta minus g upon 2u square cos square theta into x square. This is the equation of the trajectory. So you can put the values in this. X tan 30 minus g. What is g? This is y is equal to, g is 10 divided by 2 into 20 to the square into cos 30 square into x square. So if you can put these values, you will get tan 30 is 1 by root 3, we all know. So y is equal to 1 by root 3 or x by root 3 minus this 10 divided by 2 into 20 square is 800 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos square 30 is 3 by 4 x square, which is equal to x by root 3 minus 4, this will be 20. So 1 by 20 into 3 is 60 x square is equal to y. This is the equation of trajectory. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. If you liked our video, then please subscribe to it. Thanks for watching.